Hi, Ma'am, Sir. Have a good day. I am Jellica Biag, 30 years old. I was born on January 21, 1996. I have one kid, and he is already 13 years old, and he is a boy. I am currently living here in the Philippines, and I have work experience here in Valenzuela, Philippines as a nanny of 3 kids, ages of 6, 8, 12 years old in 2 years. I can do household like general cleaning in the house, cooking, but only Filipino food. And I'm willing to learn more, Ma'am Sir. If you give me a chance, I will do my best to work with you and your family. And you can trust me as a second family as well. And I'm looking forward to work with you, Ma'am Sir. Thank you.